Alright, Swaddy Cop, and welcome. You are here with Lord Gifty, and there's a problem statement in front of us, a math problem. Let's solve it out together. I think of a number, I multiply the number by 5, then subtract the number by 2. The answer is 58. Now, again, rule number 1, whatever is given to you, note it down. So, I think of a number, let's say that number was x, and also they want us to find out the form of x. So, let's say the number was x, and if you multiply that number with 5, that means 5x, and subtract by 2 will give you 58, and that's what they said, right? So now if you want to solve this equation, you have to move the 2 to the next side, to the right hand side. 5x, if you move the negative 2 on the right hand side, it flips, the sign flips, and it will become 58 plus 2, which is 5x is equal to 60. Now x is equal to 5x. 5 is in multiplication with x. If I move the number 5 on the next on the other side, it will get into the division, and 60 divided by 5. Now you guys comment down what will be the value of x and let me know. So simple stuff. They gave you a statement. They said, oh, assume a number, right? We assume a number we call x. We multiply by 5x, subtract by 2, 5x minus 2 is equal to 58, and then we are solving for x. 60 divided by 5. You guys will comment down what is 60 divided by 5. Good luck.